Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Family Day is all about spending time with loved ones. And what better way to celebrate than by giving your customers a special Family Day discount in your Shopify store? And you don't want those discounts to cut too deep, like 30% of up to $200. So in this video, I will show you how to create a family deal in Shopify with a cap discount of 30% off, which is limited to $200. So before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting up a cap discount, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available in the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel. Now you can click on Create New Discount section. Now choose the discount code as your discount type and then go for a discount code. I'm adding a 30% off as my code with a discount of 30 and a capping amount of 200. So here comes our cap amount. So this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than 200, our cap amount ensures that the discount will be maximum of 200. And you can also apply this discount to all the products or a specific product or a specific collection. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement. Now you can set some customer eligibility here. If it is all customer or a customer having a tag or only on customer form first order customer, like that. Now you can limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here, which means this code will be available only for the first 100 customers. I'm limiting this usage of the code per customer only one time. And in this active dates, you can just say some start date or a start time and an end date and an in time through which this code is active. Like if you need to run this offer through the 10-day long or a 1 week or a month, like that, those timings you can set it from this active date section. And if you need to combine this code with the existing codes like product discount, order discount or a shipping discount, you can enable from here. And after adding all the details, you can save it. Now I am checking from my discount section whether my code has got active. So now you can see that the 30% off code has been activated. Now we can test the setup in our online store. So now I'm trying to buy a product of worth 5,000 and applying the code 30% off here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 5,000 is more than 200, even though we have set up some limit in the capping amount as at 200. It will never be getting complete 30% of the maximum retail price because we have already capped the discount amount to 200. So no customers will be getting any amount greater than 200. Now let's test with some other products having a lower price. So I'm trying to buy product of 234 now. I'm applying the code. So here you can see that the complete 30% off has been applied, which is 70 rupees is deducted from the MRP because the 30% of the cart value is below 200. So the complete 30% off has been applied here. So this is how you set up a family day sale, which is a 30% off up to $200. So if you find this video helpful and if you need this like to experiment in your store, just grab the link from the description box and like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share the channel. Thanks for watching.